angels, my dears. I'm Angel. My inspiration for making the mango barbecue sauce comes from Pollo Tropical, which I would go to after my late class at culinary school. This class was called a la carte, which means we worked in the school's restaurant. And when we got out, I was so tired and so hungry, I couldn't even cook. So I would go to Pollo Tropical, which was a block from my house. And so anyway, when I got there, I used to get the wings, and they would have some wonderful Caribbean sauces on the side. One of them tasted like mango, and so that's where I got the inspiration from. And I used to also get some of the black beans with yellow rice to go with it. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Well, anyway, that's how I got my inspiration. Let's get back to the video. Hello, my angels, my dears. If you're still hanging around with me, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, leave a comment for me, why don't you? And if you'd like to share, please do so. I would love that. Okay, back to the video. Hello, I'm Angel. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like what you saw today, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. Many blessings and much favor, and I hope to see you soon.